Hey guys, good morning. This is your bro Hemant. Welcome back to my channel. Here we make vlogs about daily living life in America. But firstly, I want to share with you my experience about COVID-19 vaccine which I took yesterday on my right arm. I just want to share my experience with you guys. As you have seen that the title of this video, that what things you should keep in your mind while you are getting vaccinated. I'll give you a disclaimer that I'm no professional health worker or a medical expert as of so. I'm just sharing my experience with you guys, that how I felt before taking my first dose and second dose of vaccine here in America. I took the dose of vaccine which is called as Pfizer here in America, which is readily available. So during my experience after the first dose, which I took on my right deltoid, first dose I took on 1st May, and then after that second dose I took after 21 days, which of 3 weeks ka gap. So well, after my first dose I had some weakness in my body and also some body pain, so I rested throughout the day. And after my second dose, which was yesterday, which I took, there was some chills and some body pain throughout the day, so I rested a whole day yesterday, and today I'm feeling much better right now. So I would suggest that 2 days of rest is necessary for you, and also it depends on you that what type of vaccine you want to take. So let's talk about America first. There are 3 vaccines available here in America right now. First is Pfizer, second is Johnson & Johnson, and third is Moderna. Where you can register is the biggest question, so I will give you the information about it. You can register your vaccination dose or your shot at your local pharmacy such as CVS and Walmart, Walgreens or King Supers here in Colorado. And also some of my friends here in the US have also taken the other vaccine which is called as Moderna. So their experience was light fever, body pain and headache. So it was like normally usually pain, so you can take some alternative medicine for that. So as you know that India has 2 vaccines. First is Covishield and second is Covaxin. My parents have taken Covishield both the doses and they have secured themselves and they are safe. But the thing is, they are taking precautions by wearing a mask and washing their hands and sanitizing them. So it's better. I hope that India ka situation will get better day by day. So this was my experience about taking the vaccine, and I want to tell you guys some few things before you take the shot. So these are the few things that work for me, so I'm gonna share with you guys. After getting your shot, sit for 5-10 minutes near your local pharmacy, and then after that you can go home. I would suggest that 2 days of rest is necessary after taking the shot. So if you're getting chills, body pain, headache, weakness or any sort of medical issues, then you can take like paracetamol, or else you can just take your local doctor ka suggestion. So if you're following the news regularly, you can see that the American President Joe Biden has told that the mask is not mandatory if you're fully vaccinated by 2 shots. So it's like people are not wearing masks nowadays here in the US. So it's all okay, and the situation is getting better day by day. Before any dose, you must eat something or have any fruits or have just breakfast if your shot is in the morning, or in the evening you can have your meal or just have your lunch normally. So get proper information and do your research before registering for the vaccine and getting your shot. So guys, this was my experience about taking the vaccination, and I just want to share with you guys that I just created this video, and I will just create this sit down videos whenever I'm free and whenever I seem to be. So this was fun. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you're new to the channel, I make daily living life vlogs here in America. Thank you for watching my video, and also I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, wear a mask and get your shot. See you, bye. What were you saying?
Good job. Good job.
Oh, thank you.
Good job.
So I would suggest अरे क्या मैंने YouTube पे But mask, wearing a mask. Oh my god.